Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Eileen. I got some mail today and I think it's my merch. Well, not my merch, but we'll see. I just cut the what's this, the label, and it just opens up like this. Okay. It's my mug, Coffee with Wifey and Liller. Hello. So I got my mug. It's super cute. It's gonna live with me forever and ever. And on the other side it says Saturday Night Live, hashtag crafting with Liller. So there was a misprint or a design defect, and it has a second print, and it says Coffee Live, and then it's a little messed up. Like, it's supposed to look like this, right? But the printers, or the shop that she had her merch sent to, came out messed up. So I'm okay with it because it's gonna be forever with me. And Lily did say that she spoke to the company and that she wants a replacement for the orders, but she also told me to email them. So if you ordered her merch and it came like this, she said email the company, so that it's not just coming from her, that it's coming also from us, the recipients, the ones who are supporting her. So I will be doing that as soon as I get off this video, because this is too cute to be going like this, okay? It's too cute. So, and I know how she feels, you know, when you entrust these companies to create your vision and then it comes out not the way you planned, you know. It's just heartache because it's a lot of work just to come up with the design itself. So yeah, I know what she feels, or how she feels. So definitely go check her out. It's on her YouTube and her Instagram, the links to the shop. And I think it's what is the name of the, hold on, let me verify the name of the company, because they will definitely be getting an email from me. I gotta help my girl out here so that the error is corrected. Teas or something. Sorry, I have a lot of email. If I don't clear my email like every day or twice a day, I am bombarded with a lot. So let me find it. Tea Spring is the name of the company. Okay, and I'm definitely going to, because I'm still waiting for my shirt also, because I ordered the shirt and the mug, and that is still on the way. So definitely want to respond to them. But anyway, the name of the company is Tea Spring. I want to go to the link. You guys can see that. This is not. There we go. Oh, okay. I don't have the direct link, so yeah. Anyway, go to Lily's page, check her out. Check out her merch. She has a t-shirt and she has this awesome mug. Just ignore that part. I still love it, Lily. Don't worry. It will all be corrected. Okay, my dear, I feel you. Hard work gone into this, and let's help her out. So if you get your merch and it comes in with a defect, let them know. Let the company know. Yeah, tell Lily, but you know, also let the company know, because they are sending out defects like that, and that's the only way to get it corrected. Okay, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have some mail, and this is from Crafting with Liller's and Wifey's merch, and I ordered the mug and the t-shirt, and I just got the t-shirt in today. If you haven't seen the video yet, the mug came in, but it had a typo, and oh my god, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh yes, baby, look at this thing. So I think I got an extra, nope, I got a large. Anyway, it's like one male female type t-shirt. It's the Hanes t-shirt, and look at that. Oh, so cute, guys. I will say it looks a little faded, but I don't care. I really don't care. I'm just excited to have this and support one of my favorite crafters here on YouTube and her little family. So they came up with coffee with Wifey and Liller. Super cute. But the back says Saturday Night Live, and then hashtag crafting with Liller. Crafting with Liller. I'm sorry, I keep getting tongue twisted. But it's so cute. I love it. Lily and Wifey, thank you so much. It came today, and I can't wait to wear it this Saturday. I'll be wearing this every time you guys go live. Thank you guys for watching, and go check out their merch at Lily's channel, which is Crafting with Liller. They do lives on Saturdays when they can. But yeah, I miss my ladies, and I can't wait till the next live. Bye.